Sophie and the Secret Door. A short moral story. In a quiet village surrounded by whispering woods, lived a curious girl named Sophie. One afternoon, while exploring her grandmother's attic, she found a small, wooden door hidden behind dusty trunks. It was no taller than her knee and glowed faintly around the edges. Sophie knelt and turned the tiny knob. The door creaked open to reveal a shimmering tunnel. Without fear, she crawled through, and suddenly, she was in a magical garden filled with talking animals, glowing flowers, and floating lanterns. A wise fox approached. "Welcome, kind heart. Only those who believe in wonder and goodness can enter." Sophie spent hours learning from the animals, listening to the trees, and helping creatures in need. But soon, the garden faded, and she was back in the attic. She ran to her grandmother. "I found a magical world." Her grandmother smiled. "That door appears only to those with wonder in their hearts." From that day, Sophie shared kindness, wonder, and curiosity, always believing in magic, even in everyday things. Moral: wonder lives in those who believe, and kindness opens doors to worlds unseen. Thank you for watching.